Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start the science work. So we were doing the science unit 1, lesson number 1 were doing. We have done reading and explanation of this unit. Now we are going to do the exercise. What you have to do, you have to do this exercise on the book, right? So first of all, before we start this page, take out page number 3 so we can do it. Before starting the page, what we have to do, we have to prepare this page. So I'm going to write date here. Today's date is 03/06/2020, and we will write classwork in the middle, C.W, and we will write day here, and day is Wednesday, WED, WED, NESDAY, right? This you will prepare the page like this. Okay, let's start from the first question. Here is question number 1. So let's read this question. Circle the living things in red and the non-living things in blue. So what you have to do here, you have to take out the red color and the blue color. And first we are going to use the red color for living things, right? I'm taking out my red color. Look at this one. This is flower. As I've told you in my explanation that plants are living thing. जो पौधे होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, living things होते हैं, जिंदा होते हैं. ठीक है, तो हम इसे मार्क कर देंगे, सर्कल कर देंगे कि ये लिविंग थिंग है. नेक्स्ट इज टेलीफोन. इट इज़ नॉट अलाइव, सो दिस इज़ नॉट लिविंग थिंग. नेक्स्ट इज क्रो. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो लिविंग थिंग, जिंदा है. ठीक है, तो इसे भी हमने सर्कल कर लिया रेड कलर से. जो चीज़ें जिंदा हैं हम उसे रेड से सर्कल करें. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज फिश. सो दीज आर ऑल्सो लिविंग थिंग्स एंड वी आर making circle on these fish. Next is book. It is not living thing. Next is rat. Rat is living thing, so we are putting circle here also. This is non-living thing, and motorbike is also non-living thing, right? Now for non-living things we are going to use blue color. Let's do that part. For this we are going to use this blue color. Look at it. This is telephone. It's non-living thing. We are going to circle with it with blue color. This is also non-living thing. We are going to circle this also. This is non-living thing, chair, right? And this is also non-living thing, right? These are all non-living things. First question is done. Now take out your pencil. Write. Look at this question. Write 5 names of each. What they have given us, living things and non-living things. Now here I will write counting first for living things. 1 2 3 4 5. Here I will write living things in front of these numbers, and here I will also write counting 1 2 3 4 5. Let's write the living things here. As cow is living thing, cow जिंदा है तो हम वो लिख सकते हैं cow. Next, plants. Next, you can see from here also, or you can think by yourself. Birds. Human, इंसान. Human being, right? Then what else you want to write? I'm going to write fish here. Now I'm going to repeat these living things for you. First is cow, गाय. Number 2 is plants, पौधे. 3 birds, परिंदे. 4 human being, इंसान. 5 fish. Now let's write the non-living things here. You can find the non-living things from your room also, from your classroom, from your house, from anywhere. Okay, bed. Bed means आपका जो बेड होता है जिस पे आप सोते हो, जिसे पलंग बोलते हैं, राइट? नेक्स्ट चेयर, चेयर जो आप जिस पे बैठते हो. नेक्स्ट योर पेंसिल, दैट माई पेंसिल और योर पेंसिल, आई एम गोइंग टू राइट here. And the most favorite thing of the boys, bat. Bat means your bat we used to play with it, or you can write ball here, right? Now come to the next question. This is we have written non-living things here: bed, पलंग, chair, कुर्सी, pencil, आपकी जो पेंसिल आप लिखते हो, बैट जिससे आप खेलते हो, बॉल जो आप क्रिकेट खेलते वक्त यूज़ करते हो. Now come to question number 3. This is part number 3, right? Put a tick for true and a cross for false. A part. Let's read the first part. Living things grow. Living things बढ़ती हैं. तो ये बात सही है या गलत है? Living things grow करती हैं. So this is right. We are going to put tick mark here. Part number B. All living things can move. सारी जिंदा चीज़ें मूव कर सकती हैं. तो ये बात भी ठीक है क्योंकि वो हिलती जुलती हैं. नंबर C. All living things, sorry, all non-living things cannot move. जितनी भी नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स हैं वो हिलजुल नहीं सकती खुद से. राइट, दिस इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. पुट टिक मार्क हियर. ओके, नंबर D. प्लांट्स कैन नॉट ब्रीथ. प्लांट्स जो हैं वो सांस नहीं ले सकते. प्लांट्स तो सांस लेते हैं क्योंकि वो लिविंग थिंग्स हैं. तो इन्होंने यहाँ पे रॉन्ग बात बोली है. सो दिस इज क्रॉस. ओके, I hope you understand this page, and this is very easy page. Now also learn these living things at home with spellings, and learn these non-living things at home with spellings, and learn the exercise at your home today. Okay students, Allah Hafiz, and we will continue our next lesson, our next lecture tomorrow.